A question that's come up a few times recently is about how much time it'll take each week to go through the Path of Heroes Academy. Well, this is the first run through it in this format, so I can't say for sure, but the course is divided into 8 weeks with 5 to 15-minute videos each week, which provide an introduction into concepts of personality type infused with character creation. And you'll spend about 5 to 30 minutes each week creating a character, depending on how much reflection you want to do. But that's not all. There are also plenty of extras like group activities and QA sessions, hypnosis tracks, and active imagination and real life missions that you can go through. So how much time should you expect? Well, on average, I guess a minimum of 30 minutes to 2 hours per week if you want to go through the course successfully. But if you attend the bi-weekly events and do all the additional material and the 10 missions and the supplemental tabletop game, you could spend hours and hours. Just remember that this knowledge is something that you're going to gain and be able to apply to the rest of your life. And you can keep the course after the 8 weeks. So sign up now for the adventure of a lifetime, poha.geekpsychology.com. Enrollment for this price and this cohort shuts down on February 1st. See you inside.